Greeting to every viewers. Here I am Sonu Rani as a business analyst at BR Softech present you demo of BR laundry solution in this video. Before I start the video, let me share a brief introduction of our company. BR Softech is award-winning ISO certified IT company based in India. We provide you the services in different frames like web development, mobile app development, game development and so many other IT services. Now we have the multiple offices across the national boundary like USA, UK, London, Canada, Hong Kong, etc. We have the experienced, highly skilled 250 plus employees work with us. Now let me introduce the BR laundry solution. This solution is based on the multi-vendor. That means the multiple vendor can list their service at one platform. We developed this solution on 4 tier. First one admin panel, second is one user, third one service provider and fourth one is driver. So let's start the demonstration of BR Laundry Pro Service. I would like to start this demo with BR Laundry Service Provider. This application need to be on GPS. Without GPS, this application is not working. So that's why I have just on my GPS location. Now we can see this is the landing screen of a provider. The provider can manage his offline and online mode from here. When a provider not online, he get not any order from user. So for getting the booking, service need to be online. Yeah, we can see that is a red map pane located on the map. So this is our provider workshop location. Now we can see the other features that built in service provider service application, like on the tab of the display picture, service provider can change his password, edit first name and middle name of his, then enter the last name, modify the existing email address and mobile number. So secondly, this is the home. Whenever the provider want to go to his home screen, he just go from here. For making the online transactions and manage it, service provider can able to add the bank, like adding the details like account holder name, bank name, branch code, account number. Similarly, let's move to the ad service. This is there are 3 type of the services provided in BR service laundry. So the admin already categorized 3 services like the wash and fold, wash and iron and dry and cleaning. Now the service provider able to edit, modify his service price. Here the service provider already added the some amount for specific categories, like the 300 kgs he charges. Similarly, the second category, that is the wash and iron, the service provider charge the 150 for 3 kg cloth, 5 kg cloth for 200 rupees, etc. Then next move to the dry cleaning services. Here the service provider can manage, add, edit or delete delivery boy. He can able to manage his profile, like add his display pictures, change passwords, his name and mobile number. And although he just select the country for Then move to about us. The is any static content the driver will be follow from here. Third one, the last logout. And two main important features are developed in this application, like the new services and history. This is a pickup and delivered ordered history manage here. And same here, the new services, when any new task assigned to the driver delivery boy, it will be managed from here. Now move to user application. So this is a user application landing page. Whenever the user log in and direct to the screen, so we can see that there is a menu bar where the features are listed, like the home, my profile, my order, about us, frequently asked questions, rating, support, and logout. User can manage his profile from adding the display pictures, his name, address, email, mobile number, and yes, he get the tick or checkbox about the SMS notification he want or not. Then move to his my order. Here the order history will be managed in this tab. Then move to the about us. This is a screen where the content will be displayed. Similarly, the frequently asked questions, static content will be readable from here. And yeah, the user can also provide the rating for the application service, support, and logout. Now let's move to the screen, home screen. Here the user will see the application map over the red map pin. On the tapping the map pin, it shows the details like provider name, his number, and details. Yeah, he can also see the all available service provider from here. Then selecting the category, which service he would like to move or order. Here are the two options that he can tick: is it a hotel or is it a residence? Then pickup date, delivery date or time, and service provider, and find service provider. So let's move to the making the order. I have choose this category, watch and fold. Select the residence as a home mark. Pickup date, today's, delivery date 23 March. Select service provider. I have chosen the Royal Laundry Services. Okay. Select the weight estimations, 6 kg, add to bag. I have get the estimation price and go to the checkout, add the details of the delivery, add BR Softech, lot number. So I have entered the address of order, office, and just done. So I have placed the order successfully. Now what happened when a user ordered the service? Here we can see that the red mark notification over the BR laundry provider. Here, on the service provider application, it will show the new order. There are two options for the provider. He can either accept the order or decline. I'll just check the order and accept. Now this order goes in running mode. Now the delivery boy pickup required. So I assign a pickup boy. Here I can see there is a one delivery boy, and just select his name, and so the order has been already started and the pickup boy assigned his task. Now there's a two notification for the user, like the order acceptance, and second one, the assign the pickup boy status. Now the BR laundry driver application, the delivery boy has get order for the pickup. The delivery boy get the details from here and mark out for pickup. Whenever the driver will be track the location of the pickup and his location. Now there are three notifications we can see on the BR laundry user. That means there are three the notification about for order acceptance. Second one is assign the delivery boy, and third one is out for pickup by driver. So we can see the order status from here. This is the new order placed. Yeah, he can check the status, the out for the pickup. Now the laundry boy has been arrived. Let's assume arrive on the location. He just pick the package. Now he have to submit that package on the provider workshop, and this notification will be shown on service provider application. The package has picked. Out for pickup. Yeah, the status has been updated automatically, like the package has been picked. Now let's move to the BR laundry driver delivery boy. Now the delivery boy mark the submitted to workshop the package. Now his order has been completed, his task has been completed, and there is no new services, and in this the past service has been maintained in history. Now next move to service provider. Here service provider has to be confirmed from his application that he has delivery boy has been submitted the package to his workshop. Just confirmed. Now whenever the provider update the status about the pickup and submitted the package to his workshop, it will going to be automatically in processing mode. Now move to now the your pickup package processing mode, and here the BR laundry user has been notified and update the status, like the package has been submitted to workshop, and now the status is processing. Now after the processing completed, the service provider have to just update, yes, your package is ready for the deliver to user. Now again the provider need to be assign a delivery boy to pick the package from his workshop and deliver to user. So now again select the delivery boy for deliver the package to user. Yeah. So now we can see that a new service assigned to this delivery boy for the delivery. So he can just check the details of new task, mark the out for delivery. Now this time the map has been updated as per the workshop location and current location of delivery boy. So let's move to the BR service provider application. Out for delivery, he can the provider has been get notified that the delivery boy out for the delivery now. And similarly the user application, the user will get notification that yes, the delivery boy update his status like the out for delivery. And then now the delivery boy has been pick package and move to user. Now he from this app the delivery boy has been update his status about he already delivered successfully the package to user. Now the service list is updated and moved to history. Now the user application already get the notification, yes, your package has been delivered, and order history. Now move to the provider application. There is no running order, there is no new order. Now the current order that will be completed is maintained in history. So this is a demonstration of laundry application and how we can see how the both three applications communicate with and make the booking. So this is, if any query you have, please let me know or write in comments. Thank you for watching it. Have a nice day.